Okay, so this is gonna be a video on how to straighten the Acros, the block lock. And what happened is I had a little slide out, and you see how it's close on that side, and got a lot of gap on this side. So I'll show you how to center it the easy way. So what you do, you notice the gap, you just give it short jabs, and then I felt it move there. You can see now it's not touching, so I can get a couple more. There we go. And now it's, you can see the gap is equal, just like that. And now we got a gap on this side, and gap on that side. Pretty equal. This side was up against the frame, so good. That easy.